How to wire in Terraria. So first, ready your material. So you will need a red wrench and also some wires and wire cutters. Now once you have all the materials, you'll just need your red wrench. So what the red wrench does, or any other wrench, is it places a certain type of wire depending on what wrench and what wire you are using. So for this one, I am using a red wrench. So it will place some red wires. So that basically means that you will need some red wires ready right here. So let's say I'm just going to do this like that up here to the end. Then I'll place a fireworks box just above it, just like that. And I'll also place a lever on the other side of the wrench right here. And I'll just add some more just like that. And let's try to activate it. And as you can see, I now have connected both. So this is what I made. So you could also clean this up by doing that. And when I activate this, it should work. Make sure that you add one more just like that so it would actually work. And as you can see, the fireworks box is now working. And this is the wiring that I made. You can clean this up by removing the unnecessary ends like that. And if I activate it, it still works. So you can do this with other things, or you can basically do this with some switches, or you could also use trapdoors for this. I can also add a pressure plate, so every time I step on it, the fireworks or your device will activate once you press or step on the pressure plate, just like that. And that is how I basically wire in Terraria.